To you do we come, seeking mercy. O Mother of Christ our God, do not turn away, nor despise our prayer, but be pleased to hear this plea. Entreat your Son, our God, to save our souls. Entreat your Son, our God, to save our souls.
My soul proclaims the greatness of the Lord. My spirit rejoices in God, my Saviour.
To